Baby tree. Doesn't look that bad right there. Lit. Look how pretty our mantle looks. All of the lights. Hello. And I just put lights on our curtain rod. It looks so pretty. What are you making?
Jewish delicacy.
Oh, Jewish delicacy.
It's matzo ball soup and latkes.
See, look how big I made that one and this one. But these
This
are
is
super small.
What is it? Matzo ball soup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else?
Over here we have latkes, which everyone in the world loves.
This is just the
what is stage. It's with applesauce and sour cream.
It's going really well.
Oh no. Just gotta like pat it. But dinner's about to be lit!
Update on the latkes. Whoa!
Every Jew in America does this. Like, it's not weird.
That is so weird.
This is not weird.
Are you sure?
I swear to God.
Oh my God. No.
I swear everyone
Can't do it that
does
way.
this.
I just want to eat it on the side.
Go for it.
What
That's
did
how
I eat
Tyler
latkes with last time? Hello, hello. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I didn't finish last night after we had Hanukkah dinner. Hanukkah dinner was so good, actually. I always give Emily crap no matter what we're doing, pretty much. But she did a really good job. So thanks for dinner, Em. It was so good. And I know we have leftovers, so I might be having that tonight. Also, I wanted to update you guys on the tree skirt situation. Yeah, it's just not gonna happen this year. Like, no. No, this isn't happening. What'd you say?
I lost my voice.
What? I can't hear you.
I lost my voice.
I can't. Speak up, please.
I lost my voice. I can't talk.
Talk louder. No, you're not being for real.
I can't talk. That's the loudest I can talk.
Are you serious? No.
You're doing all the talking today.
So we just went to lunch and Janae talked the whole time. Now listen to her voice.
I can't talk.
It's getting worse.
I literally sound like a whisper.
Speak up.
I am trying really hard. Sounds like a whisper.
You need to stop talking.
Okay.
Time to put the pedal to the metal and lower prices on all.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Shopping? Just $16,777.
Sorry, I guess I have to unlock the door.
Shopping.
I brought you half a sandwich.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hey.
Kenzie! Hi, girl!
Hi.
Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. He doesn't eat unless I'm like chasing him and he's so excited. Good boy. Look how cute my wrapping paper is this year. Merry Christmas. I got this cute golden black little reindeers and pink, like baby pink and gold snowflakes and a Benny. I got a Benny too. What are we doing tonight? Party! Yes, we're going to a onesie party tonight. I'm so excited. I have such a cute and fuzzy onesie sneak peek. I'm off work and I literally just walk across the parking lot to my sister. So excited. I have all my stuff right here. And I cannot wait to just go to a party in pajamas. Like, this is the best thing ever.
God damn, I look so much better. Oi. Molly, you've got the double shot.
Ooh. Thank you. I got the Thailand one. Cheers.
Crap.
We're ready! We got our menorah chick. Menorah chick said, fuck whoever you came with.
Cheers! Cheers! Onesie, FUNSIE my onesie.
Yum.
I can't
What do we have going on here?
Green eyeliner.
Wait,
Christmas tree green. Red for, what is this flower called?
Poinsettia.
Poinsettia.
You asked
Red.
the Jew.
Ask the Jew. Glitter for glitter on the freaking Christmas tree.
Bliss.
Bliss. And what was the last thing? Blue mascara for snowflakes foam.
Oh. Now look at the light. Let's see this.
Let's see it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's good. It's good.
I tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I really, really, really want to sing and sing.
Get up real fast.
Like this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, Tasha.
This is
Holy shit, I'm
Oh,
sweating.
like he like it though.
this is what we're trying to do to you. Okay, let me gonna help? Nothing.
So much easier when someone
Damn it. Show me my
Can I have a chip? Hey, can I have a chip?
Who are the white guys that
Can I have another one?
Look at Kim's taking it in the
Vlogmas.
I got it in hers. Zoom in on that. So.